Hey loves, it's Simply Unique One, and I'm going to show you how to get this typical Flexi Rod set in less the time for those like me who are just too busy or just don't feel like sitting and waiting or sleeping with rollers. So if this is of interest to you, stay tuned. Okay, so I am starting off with stretched hair. It's already been shampooed and I've kind of just been sitting around. I'm using that Cantu cream. Never can go wrong with Cantu. Just putting it in there pretty good. And then of course here I have my own Simply Unique oils. My website link will be linked below if you're interested. Just putting it really good there on my scalp. I do this for every style. This is the only oil that I use. I couldn't really get this in the screen good, but it's just Lott body. I just diluted it in my water bottle there. Flexi Rods, of course. So just section off your hair. And this is going to go pretty quick because it's pretty simple. It's like any other Flexi Rod set. Now I did take big sections, as you'll see, because I'm just too lazy and don't feel like it. So I took big sections. Plus my hair isn't that thick. It's pretty thin. So I can do big sections of my hair and roll them. I'm spraying the diluted Lott body mixture on my hair. And then I'm just going to, finger that through, comb it through really good to get it evenly dispersed through my hair strands before rolling it. And you want to make sure that your hair is smooth. So you'll see me do this a few times with each section, just really combing it through. You want to make sure there are no single strand knots, no tangles whatsoever before you roll it on your rods. I start at the bottom and kind of secure my ends there first. Smooth them out. And you want to make sure that you're using tension when rolling. I roll mine at a diagonal because I want to retain as much length as I can. So I just kind of stretch it out and roll it. And then you just secure it at the top. Don't mind my eyes. I am watching TV while I do this. This is the only way that I do my hair. So yep, you're just going to repeat that all over, which as we get further in the video, you'll see me give you more close-ups regarding rolling your hair on the rods there, but I'm just repeating this process all over. so here again is just a close-up. I slowed the video down a little bit for those that need it. Again, use tension. You don't want your roots to be super poofy, so use tension when doing this. Secure the end first, smooth it out, and just roll at a diagonal. As you can see, I did use different color rods all over my head. There is no method to that madness. It's just using whatever my hand picked up. Now, I didn't use skinny ones along with the thicker ones. They're all relatively close to the same size. They're a bit off, but I do like my curls to look a little more natural, so I never use the same rods throughout my entire head. I pretty much just switch it up. So that's a preference. You can do what you like. So yes, now it's finished. As you can see, I definitely did huge parts. Then I just go ahead and just use my blow dryer here just to dry a little bit. I normally sit under a dryer just for like a few minutes. I can never sit under there too long. I don't know how people do it, but I normally don't sit under there that long. I did this for a little bit, and then I went and helped my husband paint. So as you can see in this clip, I have paint all over my fingers, which I did not think about until after I was done recording. Like, wow. But yes, so we were painting in the garage, which is where my hair finished drying. I'm pretty impatient, so I do not sleep with these things. No, never again. But I got the curl here. Lott body dries pretty quickly. Again, I did this on already stretched and damp hair. My hair was not super wet. If it was completely wet, then this would not be dry, but it was just damp, and the Lott body that dries pretty fast. So I'm just taking them out. You could see if you look close to my root that it's not fully dry, but as you can see, I don't care. I got the gist of it and I just refuse to sleep with these things. So I went ahead and just took them all out. And then I did not separate them. So you'll see how I managed to sleep with them like this before I took them loose in the morning. So I did go back through on a cool setting with my dryer and just, you see I'm twisting it at the root since some of my roots were not completely dry, and I just kind of dried it a little bit off the rod, and that actually really did help. You don't have to do this. Like, I did it with a few and then I just gave up again. Laziness took over. But I did this, you know, just for the roots, just twisted it in the direction it should go. And then I just put this little bonnet on, which, by the way, I thought this bonnet would be really great for this. Like, the concept was nice, but it was so tight, and I don't think that I have a big head necessarily. So yeah, I didn't really like this. I had a whole headache when I woke up, but this was a new bonnet that I just got out the pack. I thought it would be nice, but so this is the finished product the next day. Clearly I forgot to record. I was busy and rushing, so as you can see here, this is all I did. It was just take them strand by strand. I went by wherever it naturally separated. I did not make my own separations. You can see when you pull it where it's actually going to separate for itself, and you just kind of go along that. Use oil on your fingers and just kind of roll it around your finger. Fluff it out, and then you cute. And then you can just do your edges, of course, whatever you're gonna do, makeup, all that kind of stuff. I was rushing because I had somewhere to be, so this was pretty much my finished look. But it's really simple. Again, it didn't take long. I did not sleep with any rollers whatsoever. So just let me know what you all think in the comment section below. Criticism is welcome. Let me know. I'm gonna try to be more consistent with videos. I know that I keep saying that, but I'm for real this time because I get asked all the time. It's just hard when you have clients as well. So you have clients and then you're trying to do your own hair, like trying to set up for a video. It just gets to be a lot, but I'm gonna try and do better and get these out here for you. Let me know what you want me to post, and yeah, just let me know what you think below. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll shut up now.